Hello everyone. So here we are going to start surface area, volume and capacity. So students, the volume is the space occupied by a solid or by a body. Like this is a cuboid. So the space occupied by this cuboid is the volume of this cuboid. And capacity, the capacity of the container is its internal volume. Whatever we can fill in this box, that is the internal capacity. So that is known as capacity of this container. And surface area, so surface area is, students, here it is a cuboid, and cuboid has how many faces? 1 2 3 4, top and bottom, 5 6 faces. So the sum of areas of all the faces of this box is its surface area. So we can say the sum of areas of all the faces of a body is called its surface area. So here I have taken cuboid. So for the cuboid, it's a every base, all faces of a cuboid is of rectangular in shape. So the volume of this cuboid is length multiply breadth multiply height, cubic unit. Like area is in square unit, volume is in cubic unit, meter cube or centimeter cube, like this. And the surface area, total surface area is sum of areas of all faces. So that is, for the cuboid we have 2 into L multiply B, that is LB, plus B multiply H, BH, plus length multiply height, that is LH. So this is the total surface area of the cuboid, square unit, because it is area, so we will measure in square units for cuboid. Now here I have taken these dimensions of a cuboid, that is length, breadth and height, and the question is find the volume of this cuboid. We know that volume of the cuboid is length multiply breadth multiply height, then it will be 15 into 10 into 8, that is 15 8s are 120, that is 1200 centimeter cube. This is the volume. And now we are finding total surface area of this cuboid, and we have formula 2 into LB plus BH plus LH, that is equals to 2 into length into breadth, 15 into 10, 15 into 10. So to differentiate this, I prefer put a bigger plus and then write BH, breadth multiply height, that is 10 into 8, then plus L into H, 15 into 8. Now simplify this, you will get 15 times are 150 plus 80 plus 120. Now find the final 150 to 70, that is equal to 8 to 10, 15, 1, 2, 3, 350, that is equal to 700 centimeter square. So this way we can find the volume and the total surface area of the cuboid. Now one more question. In this question it is given volume of a cuboid. Volume of cuboid is already given and length and breadth are given. Find its height. And now we know that length multiply breadth multiply height is equals to volume, and we can derive the direct formula for L, B or H, like length would be volume upon breadth into height, and for breadth it will be volume upon length into height, and for height it will be volume upon length into breadth. So here we are finding H. So we can use this direct formula, that is H is equal to, otherwise you can put the values and you can solve the linear equation, or you can apply direct formula. So H will be volume, that is 3456 divided by length is 24 and breadth is 18. So 12 2s are, this is 288 by 12, then 2 144 and 18 8s are, that is equals to 8 centimeter is the height of this cuboid. So hope you understood this shape and how to find the volume and the total surface area of this cuboid. Thank you.